Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm walking you through on this platform which is called BrameWork. This platform is a platform that you can use if you're a person who's interested in artificial intelligence, doing the work for you. It's a good tool for people that are into blogging and you're into writing articles and everything like that. It's one platform that helps you to come up with SEO friendly keywords and also come up with blog post titles, also blog post articles for you so that you don't have to do all of those things. So I'll be going through the features, the price, and some of the features I'll be walking you through on how to get started, how to use this tool. So with that said, let's get started. So the features that you get with BrameWork are as follows. So it helps you increase website traffic, build a brand awareness. It also helps you save time, improve SEO ranking. So the other thing that you can do is you can find image finders, and you can also optimize with free stock images that you can use. And these are other features that you can see. So recommended keywords, keyword trends, auto image out text, save time. It also helps you check if your article is similar to other articles on Google so that you don't have to have duplicate content which is going to affect your rank. And also when you're trying to apply to Google AdSense, you're not supposed to have duplicate content because now AdSense won't approve you. It will tell you you have duplicate content or you have low value content. And it also gives you an AI writer that can write articles for you, also titles. Like I said, it helps you save time, summarizer, rewriter, text generator, listicle generator, and you don't have to have a credit card to try it out for 7 days. So that's a good thing. You can use 7 days to create as many articles as you want, and that's what's up, guys. So this is everything that you have to understand. So when we go back to the price, so let's now check out the price. So the price is as follows. You have per month, which is $9 per month. It gives you 10,000 AI generated words, one user seat, unlimited project, AI assistant. It will help you. These are all the features that you're going to be getting right there, guys. So you can get started with this one if you're a person that can manage this plan. If you're a person that wants more with this platform, you can use this one, or you can go for the professional and pay 59 for 100,000 AI generated words, and then you're going to get all these extra features that you couldn't find in these others. So one thing I've noticed is with the previous one you only get 2 user seats. This one you get 4 users, and this one you get 8 users. And when you look at the unlimited project, all plans come with unlimited projects, and AI writing, it also comes with that. The only thing that I've noticed is the 4 user seats are the ones that are increasing. And when you compare these other features, all of these plans are coming with these things. I think the most important is the user seat. So you have 7 days to try it out. You can check out the annual plan. You pay $8 per month and your total will be 96, and then you can pay that amount every time so that you can make 96 build annually. So that's a good thing. 300 build annually, so you pay 25, and then a year you'll be paying 300, 600 you'll be paying 50, 200, 1200, and you'll be able to pay $100 every month, and 12 months you'll be able to pay that amount. So these are good plans, but the most important thing is, let's check out how easy this software or this platform is when it comes to how easy for users to use this software. So you simply come back and you click to sign up. I don't know if I'm going fast. If I'm going fast, just simply go back to a part that you want to understand. So you click where it says sign up, and then you'll be able to enter a full name, an email, password, confirm password, and you'll be able to log in, and you go in your Gmail or whatever email platform that you're using. Then you confirm the email that they're going to send you, and then you're going to come inside like this, and this is how your dashboard is going to look. So you have AI writing assistance right there, and you have AI blog titles, AI blog outliners, and keyword research. So with this one, let's check out this one. So maybe I'll be trying this. Let's see. Keyword database is United States, so they're getting all the keywords from the United States database. So some suggested keywords that I can use is Facebook login, Facebook sign in, because I'm targeting the word Facebook. That's why they suggested these other keywords. So how to deactivate Facebook. So this one might be good. And this one, how to change the name on Facebook, how to delete this. Then I'll click create. So if you want, you can watch this video and learn more. I'll skip for now. Also skip for now. Okay, so this is how it is. So you can start writing everything. You can add listicles, paragraphs, steps, rephrase, summarize. So you can paste something there and you'll be able to rephrase it, or you can click here and then they'll start generating for you. So let's see what happens when we click on generate. So there it is. Our assistant has generated this for us. So when we click that, and how to build a Facebook page. So how to build this, the ultimate guides to marketing. Let's go with this one, and then I'll click on generate more. If you don't like this one, you can get more from your assistant. So Facebook, a guide for beginners. So that's the one. 10 ways to get your fans sharing. 5 best practices for your target Facebook marketing campaign. So this one is the best, guys. So we'll go for that. Then we'll click where it says outliners. Outliners is the main body for your article or your blog post. So when we click on generate outliners, so you click where you want to generate. So we've generated a title. Now we are generating a body like that. So that's how the body looks, like that. And if you don't like this one, you just simply generate more. So you can replace this one or keep the same one. So you simply click on the plus to change the one. So I've added another one. But if you want to go back to the one that you chose, you simply click on that one, and that's the one. It's been replaced to the one we had, the first one. So you can simply interchange, click on this one, and now you have this one right here. You can generate more again if you don't like these two, and your assistant will be able to give you more. So you click on SEO to check your score right now. 68. See analyzer for tips. So as you can see, keyword in title, it's there. It's also there in the, so keyword in headings, it's not there. It's use your keyword in 40 to 75. So you can also add a featured image, and you can remove. So if you are okay with this 68 SEO score, you can go to the keywords, and then you can now start adding some keywords which you're going to include in your article right there. So for example, I just added Mark Zuckerberg right here. So if you want, you can just say metaverse, and it's going to replace right here. You can add space. If you don't like that, you can delete it, and then you can add other keywords on where you want to add it. So how to delete Facebook, and then you can find Facebook business. So Facebook, and then I've added the keyword right there. So if you can do that, you can find top questions, how to deactivate Facebook. So you can have a section which shows you top questions or frequently asked questions, and you can add these on your blog post. So you can add this one, add this other one. You can even highlight them, then you can add bullet points like that, and then these will be the frequently asked questions, and you'll be able to also expand on these if you want to explain this right there. So as you can see, you can end up making a long article in no time, and you'll be able to upload it on your blog, and you can be consistent when you're just starting out building a blog. So that's what assistance is about. So I hope you guys you've understood what assistant is about. So let's simply go back and also and focus on the other one. So to leave this page, all you simply do is scroll down and you find this button right here, exit, or you can delete, but since we're just going back, we'll simply exit. So we'll come back to this, and there is our draft of the thing that we've been editing using our AI assistant. So we'll go to dashboard right here. Dashboard, I can delete this or I can preview it, but right now I want to show you guys how to use AI blog titles if you are not using AI assistant and you just need to create some catchy titles. So you click on where it says AI blog titles and you click where it says new titles, and then you can add a keyword. I'll use Facebook again, and I'll click where it says generate, and these are the titles that the tool has given me. So how to grow your business with Facebook, and I can say show more if I don't like these ones, and I'll scroll down and find one. So 10 fascinating facts about Facebook, and then I can choose this one and say write a post. Then I'm going to start generating the body. So if I say continue, I'll come to this and I can choose some keywords. So how to deactivate, how to change name on Facebook, how to delete Facebook account, and then I can say create. Now I've moved from title. Now I'm here trying to create the main body. So to generate this, you remember what we said, all you simply do is click on generate, and now it starts generated for you all these things that the 10 fascinating facts about Facebook, and these are the things right there. So you can add other ones, the eighth one and the 10th one and the ninth one. You can add them for yourself, but it has helped you generate this. So far so good, and you can see this is a very good tool. It's giving you everything, and the navigation for a person who's a newbie when it comes to how to use this tool, it's not going to be complicated and everything compared to other tools like Jarvis or some other tool. This one is straightforward, and if you're doing your keyword research, you simply click on your keyword research. You don't have to use Ahrefs or SEMrush. This one will be able to do everything for you, and you can check out the keyword volume. You can check out the difficult of this keyword and the SEP, and the competition is 0 right now. I don't know why it's showing 0, but this keyword is so huge when it comes to traffic, as you can see. So I don't know why the estimated competition level for paid search. Know how difficult it is to pay for traffic instead of getting traffic to your website organically. So the tip, the lower the number, the lower the cost to advertise on search engine. Also, this competition is just for paid ads, but the difficult for ranking up is 100 because Google has high domain authority. So you definitely know you're not going to outrank the domain name, which is Facebook, if you're trying to rank on this keyword with SEO. So trending, you can see it has been trending. It trends every day, every day of the month. So the keyword ideas are going to be found there. You can click there. You can simply choose this one, and then you'll be able to analyze the competition and the keyword difficulty. So competition 1, 90 difficulty, that. So everything. You can see top questions people ask: how do I find someone on Facebook without logging in? So you can, if you're a person who wants to answer this person, you can write a blog post explaining this, and you'll be able to write an article using this software. So top ranking post, it shows you also top ranking posts, and you can do You can do a research and see what your other competitors are doing, and you can outrank them. So you can see this person is getting Facebook is getting 144, more than that actually, because it's I think it's the second or third highest platform with visitors. So as you can see, this platform is good, guys. So new post, save keywords. So if you're a person who's just starting out and you're blogging and you're also finding it difficult to put out content every time because it's exhausting to sit there and start typing, I have a blog post right here. I have a blog a blog for myself, which is Ben Grinds, where you can find all articles talking about business and other ventures that you can jump on if you're trying to make money, or you're trying to start investing, or just helping yourself become more valuable when it comes to the information that you know. So I write blog posts like this, and I use WordPress to create my blog website. And this theme I bought it with Code Canyon. If you want me to leave a link for this plugin, I'll do so. Just simply comment. I came here and then I found WP themes. That's where I clicked, and then I found the theme which was a minimal theme. The title or the name for this theme is Brick. So you can go ahead and find it, or I'll leave a link for you guys so that you can come there. You can come to this platform and also get yourself a theme, and then start mm, writing yourself some blog posts like that. So that's what I do. So I'm definitely going to be using this one because it's exhausting trying to outrank other people that are writing 3,000 words or even 5,000 words just for an article, when I'm supposed to do a lot of things. I'm supposed to manage my YouTube, write blog posts. I'm supposed to also create content for my TikTok. It's a lot, guys. So this platform is definitely going to be one of the platforms that I'm using to create my content in 2022. And then I'll also be leaving a link to this platform. If you want to support me, it's going to be a affiliate link which you can use, and you'll be able to get a discount if you use my affiliate link to sign up. So I'll be leaving all the resources I've mentioned in the description below. And if you like the video, guys, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe. Leave a comment. I'll be able to check out your comment. If you're asking for help, I'll be able to respond to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay grinding, guys.